everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the breathtaking 2025 Audi R8 Spyder, the final chapter in Audi's legendary supercar lineup. If you love the thrill of open-air driving combined with heart-pounding performance, this convertible masterpiece is for you. Let's take a deep dive into everything that makes this car special. Right off the bat, the R8 Spyder commands attention. The low-slung, aerodynamic body remains true to its racing DNA, while subtle refinements make it even more striking. The new single-frame grille is wider and bolder, flanked by redesigned LED headlights with laser light technology for unmatched visibility. The sculpted side intakes aren't just for looks, they feed air into the powerhouse beneath. And of course, the retractable soft top, which can be lowered in just 20 seconds at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, turns this beast into a wind-in-your-hair dream. Underneath that sleek exterior lies a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10, pumping out an incredible 612 horsepower and 427 lb-ft of torque. That means a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 3.2 seconds and a top speed of 204 miles per hour. Audi's signature Quattro All-Wheel Drive system ensures that all that power translates into precise handling and unshakable grip, whether you're carving through mountain roads or tearing down the highway. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit wrapped in luxurious Nappa leather with contrast stitching. The 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit puts all your vital stats right in front of you, while the Bang & Olufsen Sound System ensures you get premium acoustics, even with the top down. And let's not forget the new Performance Mode selector, allowing you to tailor the car's dynamics to your liking, from comfort to sport to a full-on track mode. Behind the wheel, the R8 Spyder delivers an experience unlike any other. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission provides lightning-fast shifts, and the adaptive suspension smooths out bumps without sacrificing agility. Want to hear that V10 roar? Activate the Sport Exhaust mode and let the world know you've arrived. So why choose the 2025 Audi R8 Spyder? Well, it's one of the last naturally aspirated V10 supercars, which makes it an instant collector's item. It blends supercar performance with daily drivability, something few rivals can claim. And as Audi's farewell to the R8 legacy, it represents a piece of automotive history. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Audi R8 Spyder the ultimate open-top supercar? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay fast.